Greenland is part of Denmark, and the European Union is rock solid behind Denmark in that regard. And I think common sense needs to prevail. The US has always had a military base in Greenland, and I know that the Danish Prime Minister has been engaged with the White House. It's very clear that any issues around that need to be resolved or need to be discussed are open for discussion in terms of the military base that's there. But in terms of the sovereignty and the territorial integrity, that's a matter for the Kingdom of Denmark and the Greenlanders, the population in Greenland themselves.
The White House has also said though that it might buy Greenland. I mean, is that something?
I don't think that's realistic or possible in the future. That would be my observation on that. The world is in a very difficult situation right now, and our view is, as a country, that the sooner the world collectively gets back to increasing and reforming the United Nations, to make the United Nations more authoritative but also more representative, the better, because we are in a period where, to me, the significant authority of the UN has been eroded, and the world needs to be careful about all of that.